pins are finally done. I almost effed up on these ones, not gonna lie. Look at her, man. She looks amazing. Damn, switch it up. Got the Adidas. The all day I dream about shoes. Hello. Alright. She's on the list. Let's fix the leaks, dog. Let's see. Exhaust leaks is fixed. Ah, it's time for you to tune it.
We're on the gauges.
Oh yeah.
Air fuel doesn't work.
Bruh, it's stuck at 14.7 now.
Joey.
Jump roping with the damn vacuum line. Ooh, the blue blessing right now. Yeah, vacuum lines are on. Exhaust leak is fixed. I just need to swap the injectors and Master's ready to tune it.
Oh, I'm too busy for you.
No.
Pay me.
Oh, all he cares about is you guys now. He doesn't care about me anymore. He makes too much money off doing NA tunes.
Yes, I'm gonna break in the fucking
Really?
tank.
I know Joey wants to go.
Must be nice. These guys are all going to Boiling Crab. As she's sounding better now. Let's pull her out. Took care of a few things today. So exhaust leak is fixed, the V-band was just bad. New V-band, that's all solid. Definitely sounds a lot better, I heard it right away. Magically, my other fuel pump that died yesterday, it started working again. I don't know why. That started working. But I still ordered some new ones, so I'm gonna swap them out either way because I feel like that was a sign that they're definitely on their way out. Gauges are all wired up now. Coolant temp is working. That is so important, man. Ever since I put that in my car, it helped me so much with like blowing head gaskets. And yep. Oil pressure's good. Sensor for the AF gauge is not working, so I'm gonna have to get a new sensor for that. But yeah, man, she sounds good.
Later.
Coming at you live from my favorite car, Boosted Z, of course. You guys know the vibes. But yeah, man, hopping into this video. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing fantastic. Another blessed day, man. No complaints. Right now, I'm about to head over to the shop. I got a few things I'm gonna be putting on the Z today. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the hood pins on. Like I said, I don't really want to put holes in this brand new nice hood, but this car's gonna need it, you know. I was gonna wait a little longer to do it, but recently one of my followers actually sent me of his carbon hood that flew up on him and hit his roof, and bruh, well, let me see if I can find it. Oh, here it is right here. Bruh, look at this shit. Bruh, I would cry. I would literally cry. So yeah, those hood pins will come in handy. You never know, shit like that can happen. I haven't did a cold start of this car. It's been by far way too long. So I believe that you guys deserve it. now, you know, I'm still working on it. And the cage is driving me nuts, because literally my nuts are so close to the steering wheel. I talked to them, they have to make me another one that's gonna fit with my seats, so I'm kind of just waiting on them. That's hard to beat, bro. Can't wait for the G. As far as that, we still need to pull the motor out. Like I said, the shop's super busy. We still need to pull the motor out, and then I can send it off to my boy to start getting painted. After paint, then we can just, you know, start working on all the small stuff and all the plumbing and, you know, luckily the harness is a plug and play. So it shouldn't be like too hard to like actually get the car running, turn it on. One of those things, man. It's a whole full build, it's a project. It's not something that you could just do overnight, so it is what it is. I know these shits be taking a long time, but you know, it's like I'm not a fabricator, I'm not an engine builder, I'm not none of that shit, so I can't do it all myself. So unfortunately, I gotta wait, and it needs to be done on other people's time. We about to do what I don't want to do. Scary. We're gonna do some hood pins again, going with the same ones. Quick, easy, they work, gets the job done. Shits are like 10 bucks. I just hate drilling into a new hood. This shit's scary. When you're going about 160 miles an hour, you're pretty much just trusting this one little latch with some damn Play-Doh. Yeah, we don't want that shit flying up. All right, guys, 5 hours later, hood pins are finally done. I almost effed up on these ones, not gonna lie. It came close. Come on, man. Came out pretty good. Excuse all the fingerprints. Gotta wash this thing up, but yeah. I broke one of the screws again too. Same shit. Seating position is not gonna work for me. As you can see, the seat's all the way against the cage, and like, nah, I need a lot more room. I figured that it was time to retire this steering wheel, you know. Had a lot of fun, a lot of races on this wheel. I think it's time to retire it. And I got another wheel, so we're gonna be swapping that over and see how it looks. Got my clear reflectors on, actually OEM from Nissan. It's pretty cool. They look good. I actually have another set that are LEDs, which I used to have a long time ago, and I bought another set. They're somewhere in my garage, but yeah, I'm just lazy to wire them up, so you know, let's put those on quick and easy. Cause then when you take off the bumper, you have to unplug them and shit, and ain't nobody trying to do that. But let's get to the steering wheel. Oh, now you guys see that. Clean. Excuse my car, man, like it is filthy inside. But here's the new wheel. So look, I sit so damn close, like I can't even show you guys the whole wheel. Hold on. Sheesh. I'm gonna be totally honest with you. I don't even know what this says. I can't make it out. I didn't ask the dude. I just liked the way that it looked, and I was like, yo, let me get that. Something killer, something. Yeah, whatever, it looks good. If you guys like this wheel, you're interested in it, the brand is, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe it's called Volanti is their brand. I'll put their Instagram down here. This thing looks nice, man, I like it. Similar to the other wheel I have in the Drifty, but this one's clean. It looks really good. Figured I'd switch it up. This is my OG though. I love this thing right here, man. I've had this on the car for like 4 years, 3 years. I don't know, man. I need to hang this up on the wall though. I'm trying to think what else this thing needs. I'm gonna need some new tires for the rear, new street R's. I don't really want to be boosting on those, they're old. Besides that though, I mean, the car's clean. I got some new lug nuts I'm gonna be slapping on. Everything works, everything looks good. Pretty happy, man. At this point, I'm just waiting on swapping my injectors. Pretty much can do that whenever, but I'm not gonna swap it until Saul is ready to tune this. And that's gonna be it, man. Tune it and see what happens. A similar build to my last, pistons, rods, just slightly bigger cam. That's why it sounds a little bit different. But this one is a 3.5. My last build was a 3.8, so it has stock bore. And yeah, man, we're gonna see what happens.
3 days later.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? BC3's on the feet. Damn, Daniel. Peep, peep, check it out, check it out. It's kind of dark in here, but it is all clean. I actually wiped this thing down and washed it. It was just overdue, bro. I had to vacuum it out. The thing was like disgusting. But we all good now. Not gonna lie, man, there's one thing I'm regretting is cutting the AC lines. Cause now that it's getting hot and you know I'm doing content and whatnot with the car, I'm gonna have to deal with the hot ass heat and the sweaty ass. Oil pressure saucy. Got a beautiful day here, man. But it is starting to get hot now. Them 100-degree days are upon us. So I won't be driving this that often in the daytime, I'll tell you that much. When the sun sets, it doesn't feel too bad, you know, we get that Cali breeze. It's never really like humid at night, like Miami and shit. But the daytime, it does get pretty goddamn spicy. Nonetheless, enjoying the nice weather. Right now, I'm on my way to go do a little shoot. We got merch dropping this weekend, man. Friday, it's Wednesday, so 2 days. We got the first limited merch drop of the year. If you like it, cop it. If you don't like it, you should just buy it anyways. There you go, you can see a little better in here. All cleaned out. Vacuumed this bitch. Y'all remember the floor, it was nasty, it was dirty down there. I'm just waiting on my boy to pull up. Gonna knock out this shoot real quick. We're going to an undisclosed location in Colombia. Alright, you guys ready for the drip? It's nothing crazy, but it's cool. You know, gotta keep that thing on. This is the first design. Oh, okay, here, do you see something right there? So we have the long sleeve here, of course, with the Z on the back. Young 85, got the injector specs right there, toe-made cams, 350, pistons, tile wastegates, eagle rods, you know what I'm saying? Got the little mod list, got the Z on the front. I like it, man, it's simple, pretty dope. You know, something to throw on at the meet. And then bam, here's the hoodie. We got the little anime lady going on with the S15. Sylvia, I fucks with this tough. I actually really like this design. These are gonna be the 2 items that we're dropping on Friday, 3 p.m. PST, man. Don't miss out, because once they are gone, they're gone. You guys know how I do with the drops. I don't release it again, so if you like it, cop it. Once again, don't know how this camera's picking the color up. Probably not good, but we can't go too dark. Let's go one stage. I was parked right there, but I noticed I was parked on a cock. Can't have a cock in my pictures. What does this say? Why are people this way, bro? You didn't even spell it right. It's like if Mike Tyson said, "Foot twump." Yeah, man, foot twump. Double cheeked up on a Wednesday? What you doing out here with all that ass? I love this car. Views on views. What do you guys think? You like the Nardo better or the blue? I'm kind of in between. Like, you know, Nardo is just like my thing. Like, that's just one of my favorite colors, hands down. But the blue looks freaking good too. I promise you it doesn't look that good on camera, but in person it looks a lot better. And the shit looks really clean. But it's a tough decision, man. But I think I'm gonna rock this for maybe a year, blue, and I'm probably gonna end up most likely painting the car actually like Nardo. So that's probably future plans for this one. But for now, we gonna enjoy this blue.
Meanwhile, back in the lowland.
Ooh. 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 That shit looks good. Alright, now that it's nighttime, I know the camera's doing its job at picking up this color. A lot better. That's a whole lot of goddamn Muy año chupapi, muy año chupapi, chupapi, muy año pico left, chupapi, muy año pucho, chupapi. Sorry guys, I just want you to admire my car with me. I'm just happy this thing moves on its own. This thing was on Flintstones mode for 2 years, man. All my fault too. It didn't need to be down. It came back just to have the same damn setup. But I ain't even mad. It took me that long to realize that I like this car as is. It's just a street car. Not the fastest, but it's fun, reliable. What more can you ask for? Alright guys, we just wrapped up the shoot with my boy. Shout out my dog, Alley Images. Always coming through for the shots. Give you a second look. This design is dope, man. I really like this one. It's pretty sick. Over here we got the long sleeve with the Z on the back. I told my boy, I'm like, yo, I need some deep dish right there, man. I need the weld in the back. But I don't think you guys really care that much. Yeah, man. These are the 2 items for the drop this weekend. Hopefully we have another successful drop and sell out. You guys always show mad support on the drops, man. So I really, really appreciate that. If you like it, go cop. If you don't like it, like I said, just buy it anyways. HBO, you know what HBO means? Help a brother out. Come on, man. Sheesh. Damn, fool. That is that. Locked in that shoot, got everything done. Car's looking great. Super happy with it. Cannot wait to tune this thing, man. I want to like hit boost so bad, bro. Like driving this thing around, just spooling and like not hitting boost is like, it's blue balling me. It's just blue balling me really bad. The blue Z is blue balling me. It's all good though. I'm just happy to see this thing running. It's just it's a blessing to just drive this thing again because it is my favorite car. I know you guys have seen me own some crazy, clean, expensive cars, but this right here to me is just so much sentimental value to me. And just I don't know, man. That's where this car, every time I drive it, I'm just like in La La Land. I'm just somewhere else, bro. It never fails to keep a smile on my face or just give me that you know, that internal like burn of just happiness. When I drive this thing and hear it spool and just hear that doo-doo-doo, like thing just melts my heart. Look at her, man. She looks amazing. So clean. I can't stop looking at it. I don't even want to leave. I just want to stare at my car.
4 to 6 days later.
Well, time for me to go home. I love turning everything on with switches. I don't know, it just feels so like race car. That's sick. Appreciate you guys for tuning in like always. Subscribe to the channel, man. Drop a thumbs up. Go cop some merch this weekend. Appreciate you guys. Catch you in the